Hey guys, so it'll just be a second. All right, oops, I'm so freaking excited, you guys. So I did not get any tracking or any notification whatsoever. I didn't even have time to clean this stuff, but I don't really care right now. So I got the Huda Beauty mystery boxes, which they're already gone. They do not have them up right now, but they do have their new skin tint, which I'm really thinking about going and getting one day soon. They're like $37. Um, I just have their foundation sticks and they're amazing. But I'm telling you, if you are oily, do not get it. All right, so I already got one out of the bag. I got both of the mystery boxes. Oh, these are cute. Got Yo Glow, little samples, and detox. Ooh, I might detox tonight. I don't know. Anything in this thing? All right, so let's see. Let's see. So I got the large, the Huda Beauty Cosmetic Bundle Large 7, and then the Huda Beauty Cosmetic Bundle Small 6. So they number them. I think I used a discount. I don't know. I don't remember. But I'm super excited. Look at the cute little, like, paper. So cute. Alright. Now, here is the small bag, and here is the big bag. I want to unbox the first little bag. I'm so excited about this, you guys. Like, seriously. Oh, if you hear little squeals, that's just George in his room. Alright. So I got it's a little sample size. It's a Wishful Lavender Honey something something. Man, it's hot. What does this do? It's a honey balm jelly moisturizer. So this is like a little sample. It has a little egg right there thing. Super cute. I'm excited. I'm really excited to try out more of their products. Like, their products are freaking amazing. I have their foundation sticks. I have also some eyeshadow palettes, and oh my. Alright, so the first thing I pulled out of the bag sounds like a little robot, but it's okay. Alright, so it is their liquid shadows. The matte and the metal. Here is the matte. It is a really like pretty like fall color. That's what it looks like. It's like an orangey color. That would be so pretty for like the fall time. And then here is the metallic. So pretty. No smell, which is okay. I got one of these in like a BoxyCharm, I think, and it is really nice. I should like show that to you. All right, so, ooh, and their liquid lips are so nice too. So this is the Huda Beauty Demi Matte. It is such a giver. And I got the color Bonnie. Kind of reminds me of Bonnie the from Vampire Diaries. So here is the doe foot right there. That's what it looks like. Ooh, that is a really pretty like summer pink shade. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So this, oh, also I got a liquid demi matte lipstick as well. That's in red, and I got it in Ipsy. Oh my gosh, so nice. All right, do I have this? I don't know. So I got an Obsession palette, one of the news. I think this is one of the new ones. That'd be awesome. I don't know. I don't remember, but this is what it looks like. It comes with a little mirror, and here are the shades. I really don't remember if I have this or not, but I mean, it's okay. Oh, that's so pretty. These shades are so buttery. Tomorrow I'll do like a try on and stuff. I'll have time. Here's just 4 shades. So pretty. I'm so excited, you guys. So freaking excited. Oh no. All right, and then I got the Huda Beauty. It's like chapstick. This is what it looks like. It has like a little metallic-y right there. Oh, George. These little bags are so cute too. I'm gonna keep these. Maybe I'll like put like the, oh, and I even have an eyeliner through them. Maybe like, well, I mean, I plan on doing a giveaway soon. Maybe I'll just put it in here. That'd be so cute. Oh my gosh. That'd be so cute. I like that. That'd be such a cute idea. Hint, hint. Giveaway soon. All right, and here is the large bag. I'm gonna hurry up because George is like being all ridiculous. So first things first, I got this little car thing. I kind of know in a way on what was going to be given because honestly, I looked at like the last times and literally this is what it looks like because last time I wasn't able to get it. Oh, so if you guys favorites, code is favorites for 15% off. Um, Beauty blender. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've always wanted to try their beauty blenders. It is insane. Like, I'm so excited. There's so many products that I want. Ooh, they're so nice and dense. And it, like, you can do, like, that thing and then precision. I don't know. It's nice and squishy. Really excited. Oh my gosh. So exciting. Um, I don't know if I'm going to keep the second balm, so I'm just going to put that in the bag just for now, just in case. Because I really don't know if I want to keep that. Alright, so the Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette. Oh, this is what it looks like. I might use these as like eyeshadow toppers. So that's kind of frustrating. Oh, this is like a cream. I did not know that they had like it was creams. But yeah, I might use these as like eyeshadow toppers instead of like actual highlighters. I mean maybe this one, but others these ones I don't know. Um since I've already touched it, I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, I think I'll probably end up using them as eyeshadow toppers. Ooh, and then the next thing is the Wishful Honey Balm. Oh, this is the sample. Oops. I'm so excited. I really do like their products. It is so nice. And this is the consistency. This is the Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. Kind of smells like medicine to me. It is a very moisturizing thing, like jelly. I honestly have been really oily, so I kind of like watch what I put down for moisturizing, but that's kind of nice. I'm definitely going to like check that out and try that. I really want to try their primer. All right, I got 3 more things. I got the Life Liner Duo. Oh, yes, I'm so excited. So I got the liner. I'll show you. This is the one I have. So it has a pencil, the pencil, Always gets me. And the liquid. It's that one right there. They're really nice. I do enjoy this. So I probably will keep that. I don't know. All right, the next thing is the Huda Beauty lip strobe. I have never tried their lip strobes. I heard they're really nice and creamy and very metallic-y. But here it is. Smells like a vanilla. I'm so excited. Yeah, I plan on doing a giveaway like very soon. Oh, here it is. Seductress Magic. Like, I don't know how to pronounce that. They're different, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep, like, I already have a bunch of like balms that I feel like I might be covered for the summer. So this is my third eyeshadow palette through Huda Beauty. I'm so excited. This is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette remastered, and I wanted this palette so freaking bad, you guys. Like, so freaking bad. Look how pretty that palette is. It is a neutral, everyday look, and I mean, like, seriously, these shades are like so beautiful. I'm running out of room, I'm sorry. Oh, and they're soft. Oh my gosh. This is like an everyday look. George. All right. So you guys, I hope you like this live. There is going to be a giveaway coming very soon. I promise you on that part. Probably starts this weekend on Saturday. Let me know if you guys have any questions of any kind, and I'd love to tell you guys some more details about that one that comes in for the giveaway. I hope you all have a good evening, and I'll see you all soon. Bye, guys.